Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. We have learned how to create the tables and how to insert the record in the table. Now we will learn how to create the form in Microsoft Access. Go to Create tab. See here we have the different options to create the form. In this video we will learn about this option. So click here. You can see this is the auto-generated form by Microsoft Access. We can edit this form. Here we have the different views. This is layout view. In layout view we can edit the layout. Now let me show you form view. So this is the form view, or this is design view. In design view we can do the different designing for the form. We can do different kind of formatting here. See, we can apply any background image. Let me show you if I have any image. In this way we can apply any image for the background of the form. Let me undo this by using Ctrl+Z or by using this undo button. We can change the background color for different fields. See, in this way we can set any background color for the fields. Right? We can change the font. Let me show you any other font. See, in this way we can change the font size, font color. Let me select the whole table. We can select any font color. This one. We can select the alignment like this. Now let me again select the form view. See, we applied the different kind of formatting, and in form view you can see how it is applied. Again go to layout view. See, in layout view we can adjust the layout of the fields like this. In this way we can adjust the layout of the fields. If any field is not showing properly like this, then you can adjust the fields. We have seen how we can apply the background image, the different formatting. Let me show you some arrange option. These are different formatting options for the form. Now here we have some arrange options. We can insert the rows and columns. Let me show you. If you want to insert above, click here. See, a new row is inserted. Let me undo this. If you want to split horizontally or vertically, let me show you this option. See, this is splitted. You can split further. See, it is further splitted, right? And if you want to merge it again, select all these three and choose this merge option. How you can select? Let me show you again. Click on this one, hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select these others. Now click on merge. See, all these three are merged into a single field, right? We can set the margin. See, narrow margin or wide margin. Let me click here first. You can note here, or you can see here how this margin will change. This is wide margin between this text and this box outlines. This is narrow margin, see. Now there is no margin. So in this way we can select the margin, we can split the cells, we can insert the rows and columns, and we can change the layout. See this one, tabular layout or a stack layout. In this way we can adjust, we can drag and drop this anywhere. Now let me show you some form layout design options. Here we can change the theme of the form. You can apply any other theme, see how it is changing, right? You can note how the color and text of the form is changing, right? Also we can change the font, the colors. These are the different views we have already seen. And these are different buttons. We can create the button, we can add the text box, combo box. Here we have the different options. We can add date and time in header and footer, the logo. So this is the form view of this form. In this video we learnt about this form option. This is auto generated form by Microsoft Access. So that's all for this video. In this video we learnt about different form formatting options, arrangement options and form layout. So see you in next video. Thank you very much.